Author and international trainer, Nicholas Hill.
Robert Dilts believed cause and outcome were equal partners in the pursuit of growth.
Okay.
Yeah? Traditional psychotherapy, the Freudian-based approach, is much more concerned with looking back as opposed to forwards. Let's find the root cause, okay? And what Freud believed was that if we can ascertain what the cause was and go way back to the root of the problem, you can then disable its effect moving forward. Go back to the cause, disable its effect moving forward. So you go back, if you will, to identifying which was the first domino that fell to create the domino effect. What can we do to alleviate that problem right now? Meaning, what resources do we have available to be able to help us? And the questions would necessitate the who, the what, the where, the when, and the which. Not the how just yet. Not how are we going to do this? What are the physical, the tangibles and the intangible resources available to us? Yeah. Either you can start with symptoms and think about how we can move forward with the current resources that we have, or you could do the Freudian approach and jump back and go, okay, so what started this? It's not an opportunity for blame, which is how blame culture comes about. Well, he started it. Okay. Then we go back to kids in the playing field, don't we? You acknowledge the need for addressing the cause by the way of the severity of the current and the prevailing symptom. So we recognise the huge economic change that the current crisis is going to have, and the fact that even though the person next door might think to themselves, oh, everything will be back to normal in the next few weeks. Well, a lot of codswallop. It will take us 10 years at least to restore the economy. And who knows what crises are going to happen between now and then. Nothing will ever be the same again. Yeah? But acknowledging the severity of the symptom is what you do in order to necessitate a causation analysis. Do you follow?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's similar to, oh, I've developed this. I've got a little bruise on my arm. How did that happen? Let's do a causation analysis. I couldn't care less. Okay, my wife said to me just over lunch, I've got a blue mark on my leg. I think I must have bumped myself on the table yesterday. I would just say, oh, I've got a bruise on my arm. It doesn't necessitate a causation analysis. But when the problem is greatly severe, as with a crisis, it is necessary. You recognise that.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.